This is OPPO A80 and today I'll show how you can fix overheating issues on this device. So in the beginning, let's talk how we can prevent overheating from occurring, since preventing an issue is way more effective measure to combat them than it is fixing those issues after they have already occurred. So first advice that I have is that you do not expose your smartphone to the direct sunlight for extended periods of time. And what I mean by that is if you are outdoors, you do not want to leave your OPPO phone laying around somewhere under the direct sun rays effect. So try your best to keep the device in the shadow as much as you can, or even better, just carry it in your pocket, bag, purse, whatever. Second advice that I have for you guys is that you do not try to resort yourself from fast charging your OPPO phone. Make sure to just use proper manufacturer recommended charging equipment, since the majority of overheating issues can be traced to the battery. So taking care of charging and battery in general is one of the most effective measures you can take while fixing or dealing with overheating. In order to do that, you can go into your device's settings, then enter the battery category, and here switch on either the smart charging option or charging limit, whatever you fancy. Then you can also go into the more settings, maybe look at the app battery management and see how your apps drain your battery, and just optimize the apps that drain the battery the most on this page. And if the overheating already occurred and you would like to help your phone to cool itself down quicker, you can absolutely do that by, for example, switching on the power saving mode. On top of the power saving mode, you can also enter the display and brightness category of settings and switch on the dark mode. And also either enable the auto brightness option or simply manually reduce your screen brightness to as low as you can conveniently tolerate it, should I say. As far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.